What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so you know we take you behind the scenes and show you what's in the shop. But today we're not in the shop. We're up here with Terrell, Dean, and Becca, who have been cooking turkeys for days. We cooked 56 turkeys, along with the help from Sunrise Church and the members here, to feed 1,000 people in the community. We're super excited to share that with you guys. John's going to film some of what we have going on here. We've still got lots of turkey getting carved up, mashed potatoes, stuffing, you name it. All of that's getting delivered today. Check it out.
Thanks, Josh. You guys are working hard up there. This week at the LATROBE shop, we have this Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It got a full 10 mil wrap, and now Keem is coating the wheels.
To retorque the wheels on the GT3 RS, you need to have a man with some muscle, and that ain't me. So we nominate Keem here.
It's getting an 8-year coating. Aaron did extreme modification to the patterns to make sure that this install was as seamless as possible. Right here we have this Range Rover. It's getting its annual inspection for the year. Patrick's getting ready to put on its ceramic boost and get it ready for another year. In the PPF bay, we have a 2024 Audi SQ7. It's getting a full wrap. A little thing special about this full wrap is it's getting 10 mil in the high impact areas, and then the rest is just getting our normal XPEL Ultimate film. In the tint bay, we have this brand new Denali Ultimate HD. It got a 4-year coating along with some PPF on the bottom of the doors and XR tint to match the factory windows in the back. You know it's better than one 911 GT3 RS, two 911 GT3 RSs. We have this white one here, and it's getting a full wrap along with a ceramic coating. Along with all these, we had a Kubota in this week that got some window tint, keep the operator cooler in it, and a side-by-side was also in for some window tint. And now I'm gonna send it off to Luke over there in Gibsonia to show us what he has going on this week.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have 2 annual maintenance checkups from the same customer here. He trailered the Jeep in on the van, which is kind of neat. But anyway, we did these coatings a year ago, full coating on both vehicles. Both got miscellaneous paint protection film, so they're back in the shop this week for a quick cleanup and a recoating of boost. Another annual checkup for the week is this 2022 Model X. This one is still as shiny as it was the day that it left, so we got it all wrapped up for the customer, got it plugged into her in-house Tesla charger, and she is ready to hit the road. Over here we have a 2024 C8 Z06. This one was in for basically the works. It got a full body paint protection film wrap, Ultra Fit windshield protection, Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire outside, and tint on each of the 2 front doors. Next up, it's a completed paint correction and ceramic coating. This paint had seen better days. Hopefully John can toss in a 50-50 shot of what the paint looked like before and after the paint correction, but really is a night and day difference. So we got the entire vehicle polished out and got the whole thing coated. In the coating bay, we have Mark doing his thing, looks like on the wheels right now on this X7. This is also in for a full body polish and 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up is another vehicle from our friends at Swickle Car Store. This one, a brand new i4. This one got a track package, so the entire front rocker panels are protected. And we also did an 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have a 2015 Ford Mustang. You can see Ian is shrinking the tint on the outside of the glass right now. This one is getting our XR 5% series. In the back, we have another C8 Z06. This one obviously in rapid blue. This one came to us all the way from Iowa. So this is going to be the 3rd vehicle from this customer. It's getting the works. So we are going to be doing a full body paint protection film wrap, tint on the sides, the back, windshield. And actually Segala is going to be here, which is an accessories company that has a focus in C8s. They'll be doing some installation on this on the front splitter and the side skirts. So this will be here for a few weeks, but this is going to be kind of our December project. Next up is a BMW 2 Series. This is in for a track package, full tint job, and 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. In the wash bay, we have a brand new RS3. This one in for a full stealth paint protection film wrap. As you see the vehicle now, it has gloss gray, gloss silver paint. It's going to be gloss matte paint here in just a few days. We're also tinting the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. In the PPF bay, we have Steve doing a wear and tear package on this SQ5. Once that is complete, it's going to head over to the Marks area for a full polish and ceramic coating. Up on the lift is another stealth wrap. We do a lot of stealth up here in Gibsonia. You can see this one is on a Model Y. Austin right now is just heating up the edges, making sure everything is sealed down. And yeah, once this thing is wrapped up, we're gonna get the whole thing coated and get it back to the customer. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Jeff here reporting from Miami. Let's go have a look inside and see what the guys are working on this week. Over here, we have Amari working on this 2016 Kentworth semi-truck. In for some PPF, getting our Expel 8mm for some protection. He drives this vehicle up north, so he needs to protect it against the salt and the ice. We have this 1976 Bronco. Customer is in for some tinting. Gonna be going with full ceramic all around, on the windshield as well. Also gonna be doing a bit of PPF work on the front of the vehicle. She's a beauty.